One of the most powerful leaders in the country, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell, is back on Capitol Hill today after a very public health scare.
But there are still concerns about McConnell's health after what appeared to be a medical episode during a news conference yesterday. NBC's Garrett Hake has the latest from Washington.
Hours after freezing up during a news conference, Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell reassuring reporters about his health as he left the Capitol late Wednesday.
I'm fine.
The Republican would not say whether he saw a doctor, instead joking about the moment, comparing it to President Biden's trip and fall last month.
Well, the president called to check on me. I told him I got sandbagged.
But just hours earlier, it was no laughing matter, as the senator's weekly update took a troubling turn.
This week has been good bipartisan cooperation and a string of
That pause lasting for 19 seconds. The 81-year-old McConnell apparently suffering some sort of medical episode.
Okay, Mitch.
His colleagues clearly worried.
Anything else you want to say, or should we just go back to your office?
Senator John Barrasso of Wyoming, who is also a doctor, escorted McConnell away from the podium and to his office. But just minutes later, McConnell was back at the mic, shrugging off any concerns.
You're fine, you're fully able to do your job.
It's the latest falling incident after a serious topple in March that left the top Senate Republican with a concussion and a fractured rib. That took 6 weeks of recovery. In 2019, McConnell had shoulder surgery after another fall. And this morning, NBC News learning McConnell tripped and fell just this month while disembarking a plane at Reagan National Airport, according to two sources familiar with the incident. And sources say the childhood polio survivor, who has always had some trouble navigating crowds and stairs, has been using a wheelchair as a precaution to help him navigate crowded airports.
That's NBC's Garrett Hake reporting.